Hey guys, so you're thinking about a handrail? Well, let's make it happen. Okay, this installation is pretty easy as long as you have the right equipment. The first one I did, I was using a chipping hammer and some drills. Did not go well, took forever. But for this, we're using a core drill. Bought it off Amazon. It's got a 3-inch bit, and we'll use that to drill our main hole. So you add a water hose to it so it'll keep the bit lubricated while you drill it. So once we get this set up, we'll get it level, make sure that it's plumb, drilling a good straight hole, and then let it go. This one's cutting away real good, and then we hit a little bit of rebar. You'll notice I stop and put a box there. That's just to keep the metal from going into the pool. Okay, our first hole is complete. Nice clean cut, smooth sides. And now we got to cut the other edge so that the little bump out will fit. So use an 1.25 drill bit here and drill that down. Don't have to go all the way, just about 2 inches so that it will fit into the hole. We just check here, make sure our depth is deep enough and that it fits. We'll check both holes to make sure that the anchor is going to set well. And the next step will be to add the ground wire or bonding wire. Just attach a piece of copper wire to some rebar inside your hole. You have to chip around to find a piece, get that connected. Okay, now go ahead and put your handrail together and set it in the hole. Make sure everything fits well. Get it adjusted, then mix up some concrete. This is a quick set ready mix anchoring cement. It comes out pretty liquid, so you can pretty much just pour it into the hole. Work it down around to get as much of it around the anchor as you can. You don't want any air gaps or anything to make it weak, because a lot of weight will go on these handrails over time. So work it in. Just keep putting that concrete in. Fill up all the voids around the anchor on both the front and the back hole. Just want to say, take your time. Get it all the way in. Okay, like I said, we'll fill it up about 3/4 of the way. You can see it's not quite full. And I do that until I get my plumb rechecked, make sure it's straight up and down, doesn't lean one way or the other. And then I'll go back and add the final bit of concrete and then clean up the mess. Okay, and here's the finished product. I just realized that I forgot to put the escutcheons on there first, so we'll have to wait till this dries, come back and put it in place. But for now, there it is, completed handrail. A couple hours it'll be dry. I usually tell them to wait overnight before using it. And here are the tools. This is your 1.25 and here's the 3-inch. There'll be a link in the description. Thanks for watching.